one difference of our committee report when compared to the GAB this time is we took out the AKAP.
Yes, Mr.
AKAP.
President.
Opo. Andito naman yung ating LBRMO na may institutional memory. Last year ba yung AKAP ay kasama sa GAB o hindi? May we know, Madam, Chairwoman?
Hindi po kasama sa GAB.
Hindi nga kasama sa GAB. So last year, si AKAP wala na sa NEP, wala pa sa GAB, lumabas sa BICAM. Okay, ngayon, sa ngayong taon, si AKAP wala sa NEP pero nasa GAB. Tapos, so improved. Actually, if you look at the basic facts, improved ang situation ni AKAP because it's now part of GAB. So, what is the reason why in some parts of the GAB, sinunod ng committee natin, how come this part of the GAB where there is an AKAP to the tune of, ang AKAP kasi is Ayuda sa Kapos ang Kita program, to the tune of 39 billion. So, on that point, hindi tayo nag-agree sa GAB. May we know the reasoning of the committee?
Mr. President, this is also in deference to the Vice Chair of the Committee on Finance for the DSWD. When I spoke to her about this, what she said is she would like to discuss further and to look into what really is the report on the progress of AKAP. Who has it been disbursed to? Is it really necessary or is this already part of a redundant program that can be rationalized? So, hindi po nangangahulugan na i-retain o tatanggalin natin. Kasi pagdating po sa plenary at saka yung mga submissions ng mga amendments, doon natin makikita paano na-justify ng Finance Vice Chair yung pagtatanggal o pagbabalik nitong AKAP na to.
Yung 39 billion pesos na budget for a program, mas malaki po yan sa budget ng ibang departments? Tama po?
Tama po.
Tama po. Actually, mas malaki siya sa Department of Foreign Affairs, Mr. President. Tama po? Tama po ba?
Kahit po sa budget ng Congress, mas malaki po yan. Kaya nga po,
Wag natin i-compare sarili natin. Let's say sa Department of Foreign Affairs.
mas
Tama?
malaki.
Oh.
Alam niyo po, talagang nagulanta nga ang marami dahil nga, syempre hindi naman barya-barya lang ito. Ngayon, kung talaga namang nakakatulong, kailangan malaman din natin, no? Paano ba ito nakatulong? Ito ba ay kailangan o umulit lang sa isang programa na pwedeng doon na lang natin ilagay imbes na dito? So, yun po yung mabuti rin maringgan pagdating sa budget ng DSWD. Pag-explica ng, alam ko naman, very efficient yung ating secretary ng DSWD. Baka mas kaya niyang i-explica kung paano ba nangyari ito, paano ba ipamahagi ito. Tapos, malaman natin sa Finance Vice Chair kung ito ay tatanggapin niya at ano ang dahilan kung tatanggapin niya o hindi niya tatanggapin.
So doon po sa DBCC and the DBM which drafted our NEP, the budget, may we know the reason why they dropped AKAP? Because AKAP is in the GAA, GAA 2024. So alam nila yun, may historical knowledge sila, historical data. But they dropped AKAP from NEP. May we know the reason why? What is the economic manager's thinking, Mr. President? To also guide us.
Mr. President, I was just informed that it was not part of the draft proposal of the DSWD for NEP 2025. So,
Hindi kasi paakyat yung wala nga sa lista.
so sa GAB, dinagdag po ito.
Okay, so ibang process po yun. Okay po. Pwede humingi na advice sa economic managers? Is this expenditure, 39 billion peso expenditure, a wise expenditure?
Mr. President, according to our Secretary of Finance, it's a wealth transfer, and personally, he supports it.
But we will take this up more in detail when the DSWD budget is being tackled. Because yun na nga, it's a wealth transfer, but because of lack of particulars, we are not clear on who we are transferring that amount to, Mr. President. And there are definitely siguro more people. There are definitely segments of society more in need of the amounts than those who are actually receiving the AKAP because hindi siya well-defined.
Okay,
Hindi siya clear nga sa Poorest of the Poor, unlike yung ibang programs na talagang 4Ps, you have to be in the registry of the poor households. Ito, subject to. I think, ganun, anyway, wala naman siya sa committee report natin, but if ever if the amount will be restored, then kasama niya yung mga special provisions na kadikit niya hindi rin clear doon who will be the recipients of AKAP. That's the
I agree.
We will bring this up again when we come to the DSWD budget.
Actually, Mr. President, any program that can really be disseminated to those that are deserving and in need, any time that the government, we support it as long as it's something that is sustainable. And I understand and I agree with the minority leader that let us see what the criteria really is and who were the beneficiaries of this. Kasi sino ba yung nagsabi? Depende kung sino ka naka-standby sa munisipyo, yun lang yung
Yes.
nagbibigyan, di ba? Parang kung hindi mo alam, katulad ng sabi ni Senator Alan, kung hindi mo alam, hindi mo makukuha. So dapat malaman ng ating mga kababayan na lahat kung may mga programang bago ang gobyerno. Yun lang naman.
That's why, yes, this representation appreciates the decision of the committee led by our chairwoman not to include it in our committee report. So, thank you for lack of clear justification and details.
Before